Okay, so today we are going to see how to determine the waist of our heart. Waist of our heart. So basically, what is the waist meaning? Well, it is the angle. It is the angle between these two lines. So here this is the angle. Here this is the angle. So there are three main types. Normal waist. In the normal configuration, we will see the normal, in which the waist will be preserved. In the middle configuration, or we can call it as the spherical heart, in this case we can say this is the normal. Okay, so for the waist we should perform the percussion in the second, third, fourth and the fifth intercostal space on the left side, and same on the right side in the second, third and the fourth intercostal space. Now remember, here we are using 4 intercostal spaces and here only 3. Then after that we join those points. This is the normal configuration, and in that waist is preserved. This is the middle configuration, and we also call it as spherical heart. Why? Because you can see here it is forming just like a spherical shape, okay, just like a sphere. Next is the aortic configuration. In the aortic configuration, you will observe that these 2 points are going outwards. These 2 points are going outwards, and this first point, which is in the second intercostal space, it moves little bit inwards towards the sternum. This point is moving inwards, okay. And on the right side, we see that the point which is in the second intercostal space, it moves outward. So it's just like a duck with its beak. Here we can observe it's forming a duck symptom. Okay, so in the normal, the waist is preserved. In the middle configuration, or we can call this spherical heart configuration, the waist is expressed. Why? Because the angle is getting more. The angle is getting expressed. In the aortic configuration, we see a duck symptom. Okay,